Today, I'm going to make you a Shanghainese-style wonton with pork and shrimp. As a child, growing up in a Shanghainese household, we would always have this dish. And the magical thing about Grandma's food was that wherever we were, we would always come together for her food. And so when we make chicken broth, we always use the whole chicken. Chop it up, bring it up to a boil, and a very simple garnish of ginger, shallot, and scallion. And we let that simmer for 3 to 4 hours. So what you want to do is take the scallion, trim off the roots, slice, cut this all the way down, just kind of squeeze it and leave that and marinate. We have the pork belly. Just gonna trim the skin right off. You wanna slice this to strips, you wanna dice. So once you have that, chop it. Now we're gonna smacking against the bowl. I'm gonna feed in the scallion water that we did earlier, working it in one direction. Now add a bit of oyster sauce, soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, sesame oil. Combine this together. Smells like grandma. Next, you have a shrimp. Peel the body, take off the head, remove the little vein, chop them up. And from here, you have this paste. Put all of this inside, smash it. Combine this together, pork and shrimp. Put all the scallion inside and mix them all together. We're gonna go on wrapping this wonton, a wonton wrapper, and a little thing of water. Put 28 grams of flesh inside. Take your middle finger to dab the water. You pinch the top together, all 3 corners. You're gonna overlap the bottom. I'm gonna just wrap 8 for good luck. After 4 hours, you have this beautiful broth. We're gonna season with a bit of soy sauce, sesame, and ground white pepper. Now we got a pot of boiling water with some salt inside. Then we're gonna drop this in. Set a timer, 4 minutes. The shape of this wonton is meant to resemble fortune, to be able to have this family taste. It was just a taste of home. All right, everything is coming together nicely. And that's it. 恭喜發財，祝大家身體健康，龍馬精神，步步高升，恭喜恭喜！